Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to instantly stop Photoshop from lagging, stuttering, or tearing when you zoom or pan around your canvas on Windows. This fix targets real-time display rendering cues and canvas redraw configurations inside Adobe Photoshop to make navigation completely seamless. First, with Photoshop open, click the Edit menu located at the top left section of the screen layout. Hover over Preferences near the bottom and click explicitly on Tools to load the Canvas Navigation Preferences module. Look at the main options configuration list on the right. Locate the checkbox explicitly labeled Animated Zoom. Click that checkbox to turn it completely off. This stops Photoshop from attempting smooth frame scaling transitions, which frequently cause heavy rendering stutter on large project layers. While still looking inside the Tools panel, locate the checkbox explicitly labeled Overscroll. Click that checkbox to turn it completely off. This stops Photoshop from trying to dynamically compute canvas layouts when panning outside your strict document borders, completely removing choppy cursor behavior. Now, click the OK button in the top right corner of the window layout to apply the changes. To clean up active virtual memory data stacks, go back to the top left corner, click the Edit menu, hover over Purge near the bottom, and click All from the side menu. Click OK on the warning pop-up prompt to instantly wipe out heavy background history states and clipboard data blocks in real time. Finally, restart your Photoshop software to load a fresh session with your brand new Canvas performance settings locked in. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.